The Toyota Yaris GR, one of the most exciting and unique hot hatches to emerge in recent years. Unlike most performance hatchbacks, which are derived from their standard road-going versions with a few sporty tweaks, the Yaris GR was built with an entirely different philosophy. This car is an homologation special, meaning it was designed primarily to support Toyota's World Rally Championship efforts. Toyota built this car primarily to meet FIA homologation requirements for their World Rally Championship. In the WRC, homologation rules dictate that manufacturers must produce a certain number of road-going versions of a car to legally compete in the championship. With a 1.6-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged engine, a lightweight rally-inspired chassis, and a GR4 all-wheel drive system, the Yaris GR is a true enthusiast machine. In this video, we will explore its development, engineering excellence, and why it stands as a testament to Toyota's commitment to motorsport innovation. The birth of the Toyota Yaris GR. Toyota's resurgence in motorsports, particularly in the World Rally Championship, played a crucial role in the creation of the Yaris GR. Akio Toyoda, the president of Toyota and a passionate racing enthusiast, wanted to re-establish the brand's dominance in motorsport and bring performance-oriented vehicles to customers. The Yaris GR was developed to meet the requirements of FIA's homologation rules, meaning Toyota had to produce a certain number of road-going versions to legally compete in rallying. Unlike traditional Yaris models, which are front-wheel drive, the GR variant was built on a bespoke platform that combines elements of the standard Yaris and the larger Corolla, allowing for the inclusion of all-wheel drive. Because of its bespoke chassis, drivetrain, and body, Toyota couldn't just build the Yaris GR alongside normal cars. Instead, they reopened an all-Lexus LFA production line in Motomachi, Japan, specifically for the GR. The most powerful 3-cylinder engine in the world. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Yaris GR is its engine. A 1.6-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged unit, which might not sound very powerful at first glance. While most performance cars use 4, 6, or even 8-cylinder engines, Toyota took a radical approach by opting for a 3-cylinder layout. Despite its small size, this engine produces 268 horsepower in the Japanese version and 257 horsepower in the European model. This means each cylinder is responsible for generating approximately 86 to 89 horsepower. This is on par with the W16 engine in the Bugatti Chiron, which produces 1500 horsepower with 16 cylinders. We made a video on this car. If you want to watch it at the end of this video, it'll be linked in the description. This amount of power is a figure that it's almost unheard of for a production engine of these characteristics. This level of output is achieved through a combination of high compression ratios, direct fuel injection, and a ball-bearing turbocharger designed to minimize lag. The decision to use a 3-cylinder engine was driven by weight reduction, efficiency, and compactness. With fewer moving parts and a smaller footprint, the engine allows the Yaris GR to maintain a balanced weight distribution, which is essential for handling and performance. Unlike the standard Yaris, which is front-wheel drive, the Yaris GR features Toyota's GR4 all-wheel drive system. This is a rally-inspired drivetrain that provides superior grip and handling in various driving conditions. The GR4 system offers 3 selectable modes. Normal mode, with a 60-40 power split, where most of the power is sent to the front wheels, making it efficient for everyday driving. Sport mode, with a 30-70 power split, a more rear-biased distribution for dynamic handling and cornering. And track mode, offering a 50-50 power split for maximum grip and stability in high-performance driving. Unlike many modern all-wheel drive systems that rely heavily on electronic intervention, the GR4 system uses mechanical differentials, which improve response time and ensure a more connected driving experience. This technology allows the Yaris GR to deliver exceptional handling, whether on tarmac, gravel, or snow. To make the Yaris GR as agile as possible, Toyota focused on weight reduction and chassis reinforcement. The car weighs just 1,280 kilograms or 2,822 pounds, which is incredibly light for an all-wheel drive hot hatch. Some of the key weight-saving measures include a carbon fiber reinforced polymer roof, which lowers the car's center of gravity, aluminum doors, hood and tailgate to reduce overall mass, and a bespoke 3-door body shell which provides additional rigidity compared to the standard 5-door Yaris. The suspension setup is another area where the Yaris GR differs significantly from the standard model. It features McPherson struts at the front and double wishbone suspension at the rear, providing excellent stability and control. The wider track and reinforced body shell further enhance handling, making it a joy to drive on both twisty roads and racetracks. On paper, the Toyota Yaris GR's performance figures are impressive, but the real magic happens when you drive it. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of approximately 5.2 seconds, it accelerates faster than many larger, more powerful cars. The 6-speed manual transmission adds to the engagement, allowing drivers to fully exploit the engine's power band. The lightweight construction, combined with the responsive steering and all-wheel drive, makes the Yaris GR incredibly nimble. It delivers exceptional cornering capabilities with minimal understeer and a balanced, playful chassis. Unlike many modern performance cars that rely heavily on electronic stability aids, the Yaris GR offers an old-school driving feel, where driver skill plays a significant role in extracting the car's full potential. In an era where automakers are shifting towards electrification and SUVs, Toyota's decision to develop a manual, rally-inspired hot hatch is a bold statement. The Yaris GR proves that Toyota Gazoo Racing is committed to delivering cars that excite true driving enthusiasts. Furthermore, Toyota has continued to support the aftermarket community by offering various performance upgrades, including limited slip differentials, upgraded brakes, and lightweight forged wheels. This ensures that owners can tailor their Yaris GR to their specific driving needs. With tightening emission regulations and the push towards electrification, the Yaris GR represents what could be one of the last purely internal combustion performance hatchbacks. Toyota has already hinted that the future versions may incorporate hybrid or even fully electric technology. However, the legacy of the Yaris GR will remain as one of the most raw, engaging, and uncompromising driver's cars of its generation. If you want to learn more about how F1 could save internal combustion engines and how they could make a comeback, watch our video about the industry-changing innovations that Formula One inspired through the years. The Toyota Yaris GR is not just another hot hatch. It is a motorsport-bred machine that delivers a unique combination of power, agility, and driving pleasure, and allows the driver to experience how a real rally driver feels while racing. From its record-breaking 3-cylinder engine to its rally-derived all-wheel drive system, every aspect of this car has been designed with performance in mind. In an automotive world that is becoming increasingly digital and automated, the Yaris GR stands as a refreshing reminder that the pure driving enjoyment still matters. Whether on a winding mountain road, a racetrack, or even a gravel rally stage, the Yaris GR is a testament to what Toyota can achieve when they set out to build something truly special. Because it's a homologation special, manually driven, and built with bespoke parts, the Yaris GR is expected to be a collector's item in the future. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and leave a comment. Here's the video about the Formula One revolution. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.